We all know that water is a vital element for all living things. The average human could only live between 3 to 5 days at most before dying from the lack of this liquid. Just like plants, if they don't ingest the necessary water for a few days, they will inevitably die. A bit intriguing or even a bit absurd question will be, how do fish drink water? Sounds a bit weird, right? And it sounds even weirder knowing that fish live in water, eat in water, and breathe water. Well, I'll give you the answer in a moment, but first, I want you to see these facts about fish that will leave you speechless. Fact number 1. Fish talk to each other. I know you will say that I'm dumb for thinking or saying that fish speak, because they don't have a voice or vocal cords like us. But by saying that they talk to each other, I mean that they communicate with each other. They communicate with colors, movements, and sounds similar to knocks and grunts that they make through their swimming bladder, which at the same time helps them control their buoyancy. Fact number 2. Fish don't have eyelids. I'm pretty sure you have ever tried to compete to see who is the last to blink against a fish, failing miserably, right? Or am I the only one? Anyways, but seriously speaking, fish can close their eyes because they don't have eyelids. Maybe only sharks that have a nictinating membrane, or also called third eyelid, that helps them protect their eyes while they're hunting their prey. Fact number 3. Fish are cold-blooded. The sea can be a very cold place sometimes, since water is an excellent heat sink. For this reason, evolution opted for fish to have cold blood. But this doesn't apply to marine mammals or to certain species of fish such as tuna, sailfish, swordfish, or even the great white shark, which all have developed endothermy. However, this is only partial. Some of them only have hot blood in the fin muscles, the brain, or around the eyes, but none of them have hot hearts. Fact number 4. Fish are fast swimmers. Some of the fastest fish in the world are tuna, which can swim at an astonishing speed of 47 miles per hour. The marlin, that can swim at the incredible speed of 50 miles per hour. But none of this compared to the fastest fish of the world. I'm talking about nothing less than the one and only sailfish. This fish is even faster than the fastest man in the world, being able to reach the unimaginable speed of 68 miles per hour. There is no doubt that there are many different species of fish, some more incredible than others. But still, it is incredible the amount of marine species that you can find in our huge ocean. But, retaking our main question about whether fish drink water or not, and here's the answer. Yes, fish drink water, but they not only open their mouths wide and let water pass through their trachea like humans, because in fact, they don't have a trachea as they don't have lungs like we do. Saltwater fish drink water constantly, but as we all know, seawater is too salty. It has approximately 5 ounces of salt per gallon. Saltwater fish have a lower concentration of salt in their bodies than seawater. For this reason, the body of the saltwater fish loses water that seeps through its skin, suffering progressive dehydration. To counteract this, sea fish drink a lot of water, but by doing so, they also ingest huge amounts of salt, which, when unnecessary, are expelled through their gills and urine, which has a huge concentration of salt and very little amount of water. But do freshwater fish drink water? These fish are the opposite of saltwater fish. Having a higher concentration of salt in their bodies than fresh water, it's too dangerous for them to ingest too much water and dying from excess fluids in their body. To avoid this, they simply avoid drinking water, but a certain amount of water gets in their body through their skin or their gills to maintain balance and not to die of dehydration. Also, they need to eliminate excess water, which is very abundant and little concentrated in salts, which they need to retain. And this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed it. And if you did, show me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so I can continue bringing the best and craziest facts you could ever imagine just for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.